So using keep change flip, we're going to keep 1/8 as is, change this division to multiplication, and then 2/5 becomes 5/2. Once we're at this step, we're going to just multiply straight across. So 1 times 5 is 5. 8 times 2 is 16. So I should end up with 5/16, which is B. 7, find the quotients. I know that the word quotients simply means division. Okay. For these problems, I could obviously put them into the calculator very easily, but these types of problems would not be calculator active on the EOG, so we actually want to practice solving them through long division. So first of all, I have to see what my first number is. So in this case, I'm going to use 0.009. So I've got 9 thousandths divided by 1,000th, 0.001. Okay, now what I can do is I can move my decimal to where I have a whole number. However many times I move it on the left, I have to move it on the right. So I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. I know that 1 goes into 9 times. So my answer here should be 9. I can double check on the calculator. So let's just look at that. 0.009 divided by 0.001 equals 9. So I want you to pause and do those same steps. Do long division first, then you can try calculator, and then look up here when you're done. Okay, let's go over B. So I have 0.009, same thing, divided by 0.002. So I'm going to start by moving my decimal and counting. 1, 2, 3. If I move it 3 times on the left, I have to do the same thing on the right. 1, 2, 3. Keep my decimal here. It slides up if necessary. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. I'm going to drop down my 0 from here. 2 goes into 10 5 times. But my answer is not 45 because my decimal has to slide up. So it's actually 4.5. Let's double check on the calculator. 0.009 divided by 0.002 equals 4.5. So I know I'm correct. Let's try C. Move over here just so I have some space. 0.0045 divided by 0.001. I'm going to count as I move my decimal. 1, 2, 3. If I move it 3 times on the left, I have to do it on the right. 1, 2, 3. So I'm left with 4.5 divided by 1. 1 goes into 4 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. So I'm left with 0. I'm going to drop my 5 down. 1 goes into 5 5 times. My decimal gets split up. So my final answer is 4.5. I can check it using the calculator. So 0.0045 divided by 0.001 gives me 4.5. Let's double check that's what we got. Yep, we're correct. Okay, last one. 0.0045 divided by 0.002. I'm going to move my decimal. 1, 2, 3, I'm left with 2. I have to move it 3 times this way. 1, 2, 3. So I'm left with 4.5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm left with 0. Drop my 5 down. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Have 1 left over. Drop my 0 down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. To make sure to slide my decimal up. So I'm left with 2.25. Let's double check. 0.0045 divided by 0.002 equals 2.25. Let's double check that that's what we got. 2.25. We are correct. Okay. Now, before you get ready for your quiz today, I want you to review this work on your own, okay, and be ready to solve some equations independently.